Hello and welcome to PH Maths. Today's explainer is compound interest. Interest on interest. The reason millionaires get richer while they sleep. By the end of this video, you'll know the exact formula, why simple interest is linear and compound is exponential, and how to apply it clearly with no second guessing. Compound interest formula. A equals P times 1 plus R over 100, all raised to the power n. P is the starting amount. R is the rate as a percentage, N is the number of years, the bracket is the multiplier. Raise it to the power, then multiply by P. Because each year your interest earns its own interest in the next year. That's the compounding bit. Here's the key insight. Simple interest is linear. You earn the same amount every year. Compound is exponential. Each year you earn slightly more than the last. After 30 years at 7%, you have roughly 8 times your money. Use the multiplier raised to the power. Don't add R% to the original n times. That just gives you simple interest, which is the wrong answer. Classic mistake. Don't add R% to the original n times. That's simple interest. Compound needs the multiplier raised to a power. So if R is 4% over 3 years, you multiply by 1.04 cubed, not by 1.12. A small distinction, but a completely different answer. As a quick example, £500 invested at 4% for 3 years. The multiplier is 1.04. Raise it to the cube. 1.04 cubed equals about 1.1248. Multiply by 500 and you get £562.43, whereas simple interest would give £560, £2.43 more, coming from compounding.